Ready, Jack? Put your hands out. I'm gonna make it land right in your hand. Hands out here. Close to your face. Oh, there you go.
That's perfect. You got me. You got me.
Yeah. I got you.
Oh, so short.
Hands up. There you go.
Yeah.
Ready? Hands out. Yeah! Yeah! That's how you throw. And catch.
Oh. Throw it to him.
To him? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, because you can't throw to kids apparently.
I really can't.
Yeah, to me.
You faked me out.
Hands up. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Throw it to Stefan. Throw it like this. Just.
Oh my. That's me.
No, no, don't throw it to Lisa. He'll
Okay,
hit her.
Don't throw it hard. Can you throw it soft?
Just throw it to anything else. Oh,
There you go. That was an underhand throw.
that's good. Okay, because you had to throw it too hard.
Whoa.
No, you can't. That's you thing. Here.
Jack, you throw it further and further. Go, Stefan.
Where's the little girl?
Oh, yeah.
I know, I saw that.
That's funny.
Ready, Jack?
Hey, you gotta come over here.
I won't throw that hard. I'll throw it under your hand. Ready? Put your hands up so you see the ball.
Who are you gonna throw it to, Jack?
No, it's like... I passed you again.
I'm gonna throw to Stefan. He's gonna throw it to you.
Oh, almost had it.
Hey, Alicia, throw it to him. Ah, you dropped it. You can't drop that football. Nah, not fun.
Ready, Jack?
Yeah.
Put your hands out here. I'm gonna throw it to your side. Right there. Yeah, Stefan, what happened, bro? Can't catch that?
Whoa, that was good.
Put your hand back over here. Ready?
Oh.
Almost.
Almost, Jack, but you're getting better. You got a good arm.
Yeah. Ready, Alicia? Come over here this way. Ready? Oh, sorry.
Throw it to Jack. I'm gonna get behind him and see him throw the ball. Okay, who are you gonna throw it to, Jack?
Huh?
Who are you throwing it to?
Stefan?
Stephanie? Steph?
Stephanie. Yeah, it kind of looks like a Stephanie, right?
That was an accident. I didn't do that on purpose.
Did you catch the ball yet, Alicia?
He didn't catch the ball.
Put your hands up.
Over to the side.
Ooh.
Over to the side a little. Throw it to Harry.
Ah.
You know.
Throw it to Stefan. Throw it to Stefan. Throw it right over him. I want to see you throw it right over him.
Let's see, Jack. Where are you throwing it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ready?
Jack.
Oh, don't look away.
What are you doing?
No, you have to look at the ball. Okay, look. I won't hit you in the face. Alright, you're too far now.
Just right here.